Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. By now, it is assumed that the lawyers of Timi Fubara, the governor of Rivers State, must have gotten the certified true copy of the Supreme Court judgment that restored the Pro-Wike lawmakers. If they have received it, they should tell Nigerians whether what was inside that CTC was exactly what was read in the open court. This is important because Mr. Timi Frank, former Deputy National Publicity Secretary of APC, All Progressives Congress, had alleged that there were plots to tamper with that judgment. He issued a statement on that, which was published by some newspapers, including The Guardian. And he alleged that they want to smuggle in the issue of the defection of the lawmakers, which he alleged was not an issue that was before the court, Supreme Court, and that it was not even among the things the court ruled about, the issue of the defection of the lawmakers. The Pro-Wike lawmakers that defected from the PDP to APC, but who later turned around and said they didn't defect, saying that Timi Frank had alleged that those who want to smuggle in that judgment of defection, the issue of defection into the judgment, was to make the subsisting case on the matter at the Court of Appeal and the High Court irrelevant. So it is important that the lawyers of Timi Fubara tell Nigerians what was in the content of the CTC they have collected. Now, there's an important information too. You know that when Governor Timi Fubara addressed the people of Rivers State on Sunday following the Supreme Court nullification of the local government election and the restoration of the Pro-Wike lawmakers, Governor Fubara, in his speech, did note that the Supreme Court did not talk about the issue of their defection. Go and listen to that speech. It's a short speech by Fubara. He said that the Supreme Court did not deliberate on their defection. But now the CTC that are circulating, that are being published in the media, you go to the media now, you see newspaper headlines. The reason why we restored Amehule-led house. The reason why we restored Amehule-led house. And if you go there, the first paragraph you read that the Supreme Court said that they did not defect. That was part of the thing. So it means that if that was the case, it means that the Supreme Court has ruled on it. Because they said that the Supreme Court said that they did not defect, that their defection was not properly challenged or something like that, that they did not defect, so that they continue to be members of the House of Assembly. If that was the case, was that what was read in the court, in the open court? If it was what was read in the open court, why didn't the lawyers of Fubara hear it in the open court and tell their clients that that was part of the issue that was discussed? Because Fubara, in his address, was insisting that the issue of their defection was not part of the things that part of the issues that was deliberated upon, or that what judgment was given by the Supreme Court. Or they didn't listen well, or they misadvised him what really went wrong. That's why it is important that they collect this, having collected the CTC, because they're supposed to collect it on the 7th. When Fubara was reading his state of the nationwide, statewide broadcast, he said it that he himself he had not seen the CTC, the certified true copy of the judgment. But he said that his lawyer said that they are going to get it on the 7th of March. 7th of March has come. And I heard that even by the 6th, they have started issuing that CTC. And there were those that were circulating, CTC that were circulating online, that seemed to confirm the fears of Timi Frank that the judgment was tampered with. So let us know which is which. Is the one circulating online, is it fake? Is it some people put it out there? Or is the real one? And in any case, in the one that is there's the one that's being published in Nigerian newspapers, where the Supreme Court is explaining why they restored Amehule and Co. still contend that they did not defect as part of the peg for ensuring that they were restored. If that was the case, did the lawyers of Fubara hear it in the open court? And why didn't they tell their client if they heard it? But if they didn't hear it, what are they doing about what was in the CTC and what they heard in the open court? That is issue that need to be addressed, so that it's not that Fubara will not be well represented in a serious issue, a serious matter like this. So it's really concerning. Nigerians, I'm sure, will be interested to know what the lawyers of Fubara have to say about the issue of defected lawmakers. Because the issue of defected lawmakers is at the center of the crisis in Rivers State. They defected and their seats were declared vacant since 2023. So when the Supreme Court deliberated, gave judgment in a consolidated manner of all the cases, most of the cases that concern Rivers crisis, did they exonerate the Pro-Wike lawmakers that they did not defect? Did they say so in the open court? Or did what Timi Frank said, allege, happen? That is what Fubara should make his lawyers to tell Nigerians, so that they don't sweep it under the carpet. Let them tell Nigerians what was in the open court, what was said, the judgment that was read in the open court. Is it the same thing with the CTC that the lawyers of Timi Fubara got? Or is it different? Or is it in line with the allegation that was laid by Timi Frank? Nigerians need to know, because we're talking about our judiciary, and we want our judiciary to be a judiciary that should be able to deliver justice. And if they don't, at least let us know that they did not. Even though when we cannot do nothing about it, but at least let us have it on record that they did not deliver, so that it can be a reference point in future. I don't know what you think about this. What do you think about the issue of defection? Whether it was one of the issues that was delivered, judgment was delivered upon by the Supreme Court or not. Governor Timi Fubara said that it was not deliberated upon in the last judgment of the Supreme Court. But the CTC that is circulating in the news media is showing that one of the first issues that they were talking about was to prove that the lawmakers did not defect. So what did the lawyers hear in the court, and what did they found out in the CTC? Are they the same thing? so that we know whether there is a miscarriage of justice or whether the fault is with that of the lawyers of Fubara who were not paying attention in court. I don't know what to think about this, but whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.